Hi you guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this curly wig here. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so here's how the hair came packaged in this little drawstring. Couple goodies inside. Alright, so here's the wig. This is the natural curl pattern that it comes in. This is a frontal wig. Okay, so this hairline has been pre-plucked. Knots have been bleached. This is 22 inches. Okay, y'all, I got excited. The knots on this wig in the inside are not bleached. So I will go ahead and bleach my knots and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so here's my wig. I did go ahead and I bleached my knots. Kind of over bleached them, but we're gonna work with it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Got to Be Glued Free spray. Really quick and easy install. Just do little by little. Alright, so my wig is all laid down. So now let's just cut the lace. Alright, now I'm going to create some baby hair. So the pieces I pull out, I'm going to pluck a little bit to make them thinner. Alright, so I pulled out my baby hair, I plucked it all. Now I'm going to cut and curl it. Alright, so I've been seeing a couple people on Instagram curling my edges before I swoop them. Okay, so I'm going to be using this mousse. It says it's alcohol free, so it shouldn't make my wig come up. And I'm going to have to go back and add makeup on like the really blonde pieces here. Alright, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so let me go ahead and continue with my style. Alright, so I'm going to add a little makeup to the parts that I over bleached. Okay, so we'll be doing a middle part. Now a little heat protectant. Alright, now just a little bit of makeup. Alright, so now let me define my curls. It actually looks good with this braid that I just put in. Pretty. Let me define my curls. See those curls coming through? Alright, so I'm going to add a little mousse. Okay, a lot of mousse. Alright, that mousse really did it. Curls popping ton. Okay, now this side. Braided curl pattern. Defined curl pattern. Even though this is curly hair, I didn't receive that much shedding. See here? Alright you guys, so this is how my hair looks wet. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair. It looks amazing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry and I'll be back once it's dry. And here's the frontal. It looks pretty good as well. Minus that I over bleached it. Other side. Alright you guys, so my hair is pretty much dry. So I'm gonna kind of fluff out my curls just a bit since I used mousse. But yeah, this is the end result. Let me know what you think about this look. Leave me a comment down below. Click the link below so you can go also check out this hair.